fucking house, kid. Cali living, Cali life. I like the smell.
The smell.
Yeah, who's that? Tony Bibbs?
Yo, they call me Tony Bibbs. Tony Bibbatonis.
Tony Bibbitoni.
Tony Bibbs. Tony Bibbs.
That's for the clowns. They went down the underwear now, right?
Man, this is a good beef eater after.
So, I check it, I'm about to wreck it. You know the kids always up cooking fucking breakfast, 6 a.m. And you know I got friends, and I got the bands. Nah, really, my mom does though. I'm coming through, you a hoe, and I got the nicest flow, and I'm about to smoke some dro. Hey, oh.
Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today. Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today.
Yeah.
It all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it but can't. I know you far from insane, but I keep lying to me, cause I've been dying to meet. And it feel like I follow you out in the street, and I promise you all that I know. Everywhere that my mind goes, elevated, heart strong but my hair faded. Way back when we first dated, I'm gone now. Had to go cause I'm on now. When my intuition got me in the mission. We see eye to eye but you ain't in my vision, oh no. I said oh no. Back in the day I used to say, a girl like you I used to pray for days for. Now I'm out here like way more. What the fuck would I stay for? Why the fuck would I pay for something that's just gonna kill me? Nikki, I'm still me, but I'm just better. It's been 6 months since we touched last, but I grow fast with this letter, and I swear to God that I'm better.
Blow your smoke too far, got the mirror. Write our name in hearts, baby, I can see that you're into me. I need your touch, yeah, I need your fever. Take my broken parts, take all of me. Take all of me.
guy's beating the shit out of this ice in the street right now. Beating the shit out of it.
Oh, I'm going here.
Give me a good one, man. Give me a good one. Yeah, give me a nice big one. How many pieces can you get it into?
That's too small too. It's more as two.
Well, maybe this way. It stands up.
Yeah, that's good.
I think I did this one.
You mind if I videotape?
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, okay,
I
cool.
think we should do this one though. Because I just think it's better. Even you can say that's a practice, but I think it's better.
Watch the car. You got this.
Pretty sad.
Very nice. What's your name?
Adam.
Adam, nice. One more for the camera.
Zen.
Zen.
Zen, yeah, they're too small. And the stick cracked, but I did it.
Alright, so you don't. Alright, good
Now I
shit,
got
man.
a-